Okay, so git suggestSmartCommit. So suggests to enable smart commit all changes when there are no staged changes. This doesn't really enable smart commit in your settings. It just does one single smart commit. So I have a few changes here that I have not staged, and I have a commit message. So if I try and commit, because this setting is turned on, it's going to show me this little dialog. There are no staged changes to commit. Would you like to automatically stage all your changes and commit them directly? And then only if you select always, then that would change the smart commit setting, right? If you set this to false, and the smart commit setting, by the way, is this one right here, enable smart commit. So it commits all changes when there are no staged changes, which I think is dangerous, by the way. Anyway, if you set this to false and you try committing without any staged changes, it just doesn't work. It doesn't tell you anything, right? So I do find this to be useful because sometimes I do have little changes and I want to, I don't want to press this button, which stages all changes. So it's just, I can see that all changes that I have, I want to commit, and I just input a message, commit, press yes. Well, I guess the number of clicks is the same because you either have to click yes or you have to click here. So it doesn't really matter, but I kind of like having two paths that lead to the same option. So I'm going to leave this one as true.